After 60, your body quietly begins losing muscle faster than it can rebuild, a process called sarcopenia. It's one of the main reasons many older adults feel weaker, less balanced, or tired even after simple daily tasks. But here's the surprising part. Something as simple as your breakfast could be the key to turning that around. Oatmeal has long been seen as a heart-healthy food, but very few people realize it can also anemia. It's one of the main reasons many older adults feel weaker, less balanced, or tired even after simple daily tasks. But here's the surprising part. It'll become a powerful muscle-building meal if you know what to add. Over the years, I've seen countless seniors in their 70s and even 80s regain strength, stability, and confidence just by upgrading their morning bowl the right way. You see, muscle loss isn't a sign of getting old. It's a sign your body isn't getting the fuel it needs. The good news? You can change that starting tomorrow morning. With just a few natural additions, your oatmeal can trigger muscle repair, protect your joints, and boost energy all day long. So, if you're ready to turn your breakfast into your strongest ally against aging, stay tuned. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful ingredients that transform ordinary oatmeal into a strength-building powerhouse, proven to help you maintain mobility and feel younger for years to come. Before we dive in, let me know where you're watching from, and if you're ready to fight muscle loss naturally, tap that like button and subscribe for more simple, science-based health tips. Number 1. Whey protein powder, unflavored. Whey protein is one of the most powerful yet underused tools for fighting muscle loss after 60. Most older adults assume that eating enough food is enough to maintain strength, but it's not. With age, your body becomes less responsive to dietary protein, a condition scientists call anabolic resistance. This means that even when you eat normal meals, your muscles don't get the clear signal to rebuild. That's where whey protein steps in. Whey is rich in essential amino acids, particularly leucine, the key molecule that triggers muscle protein synthesis, or the process of creating new muscle tissue. Think of leucine as the on switch for your body's repair system. Without it, your muscles struggle to rebuild after even mild activity, leading to gradual weakness and fatigue. Studies have shown that seniors who consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein daily experience significantly better strength gains and recovery compared to those who rely on diet alone. What makes whey ideal for breakfast is its speed. Unlike most foods, whey protein is digested rapidly, flooding your bloodstream with amino acids within minutes. When combined with oatmeal, a slow-digesting carbohydrate, it creates a balanced synergy. The oats provide lasting energy, while the whey delivers immediate building blocks for muscle repair. This dual effect helps counter morning stiffness and that heavy, sluggish feeling many people notice after waking. Adding unflavored whey to oatmeal also avoids unnecessary sugars or artificial ingredients found in many flavored powders. Just 1 scoop blended into warm oats with cinnamon or blueberries provides a smooth, satisfying taste and a powerful start to your day. And if you're worried about digestion, choose a whey isolate. It contains less lactose and absorbs even faster. The results aren't just visible in muscle size, but also in confidence and mobility. Older adults who start their day with protein-rich meals often report climbing stairs more easily, walking longer distances without fatigue, and feeling steadier overall. That's because protein helps maintain not just muscles, but the connective tissues and enzymes your body relies on for coordination and balance. So, the next time you prepare breakfast, remember that every scoop of whey is like sending a signal to your body to stay strong. Consistency is key. When you make this a habit, even at 70 or 80, your muscles can still rebuild and perform with remarkable vitality. Number 2, chia seeds. When it comes to protecting muscle strength after 60, few foods deliver as much value per spoonful as chia seeds. At first glance, they might seem too small to make a difference. But inside those tiny black seeds lies a powerhouse of nutrients, designed to keep your body balanced, your muscles nourished, and your energy steady all day long. Chia seeds are one of the few plant-based sources that provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. This is especially valuable for older adults who might eat less animal protein or struggle with digestion. Each serving offers the raw materials your body needs to rebuild and preserve muscle tissue. But Chia's real magic lies in its combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. A trio that supports not only your muscles but also your joints, metabolism, and overall recovery. Omega-3s found in chia seeds help reduce low-grade inflammation throughout the body. As we age, tiny inflammatory processes in the muscles can interfere with how they contract and repair. That's why stiffness or soreness lasts longer in your 60s than it did in your 30s. These healthy fats calm that inflammation, improving muscle recovery and keeping your joints more flexible. They also enhance blood flow to muscles by promoting healthier circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the tissues that need them most. Then there's Chia's fiber, a type that stabilizes blood sugar and prolongs energy release. This prevents the sudden crashes that make you feel weak or dizzy mid-morning. For seniors, stable blood sugar means more consistent stamina and better muscle coordination. It's not just about staying strong, it's about staying steady and preventing fatigue before it begins. The seeds also absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like texture when soaked. This gel slows digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients gradually and supporting gut health, an often overlooked part of muscle maintenance. A healthy gut helps you absorb protein, minerals, and antioxidants more effectively, all essential for muscle rebuilding. To get these benefits, soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in your oatmeal before cooking, or sprinkle them on top after adding liquid. They'll soften, expand, and add a pleasant texture to your meal. If you prefer a smoother consistency, stir them into milk or yogurt overnight to create a nutrient-rich base you can mix into your oats in the morning. Beyond breakfast, chia seeds can also be blended into smoothies or used as a thickener in soups or puddings. What matters most is consistency, incorporating them daily. Over time, their anti-inflammatory effects, combined with their steady energy release, create a noticeable difference in how your muscles feel and perform. It's a simple addition with powerful results: more strength, less soreness, and improved endurance. Think of chia as nature's recovery fuel, a silent but steady partner that supports every step, lift, and movement you make. When combined with protein and good hydration, these tiny seeds can help you stay active, mobile, and strong well into your 80s. Number 3, almond butter. When it comes to preserving muscle strength after 60, most people focus solely on protein. But the truth is, your muscles also rely on healthy fats and micronutrients to function at their best. This is where almond butter shines, a simple, delicious addition that supports strength, endurance, and even hormonal balance, all in one spoonful. Almond butter provides the kind of energy older muscles thrive on: slow, steady, and sustaining. Unlike processed spreads or sugary toppings, it contains monounsaturated fats that nourish your heart and stabilize blood sugar. This helps your muscles receive a consistent flow of energy throughout the morning, which is essential for both rebuilding and performance. And since fatigue is one of the first signs of age-related muscle decline, that stable energy can make a major difference in your daily vitality. Beyond fuel, almond butter delivers one of the most underappreciated nutrients for muscle recovery: vitamin E. This antioxidant protects your muscle fibers from the oxidative stress that naturally increases with age. Think of it as a shield that prevents wear and tear inside your body. When you move, lift, or even walk, microscopic damage occurs in your muscle tissue. Vitamin E helps neutralize the free radicals that cause that damage, allowing your body to repair faster and reduce soreness. But almond butter's benefits go deeper. The healthy fats it contains play a vital role in hormone regulation, something that becomes increasingly important after 50. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone are directly linked to how efficiently your body builds or maintains muscle. With age, their production slows, and your body's ability to use them weakens. Monounsaturated fats help restore balance, supporting natural hormone production and giving your body the internal signal to preserve lean mass. Almond butter is also a good source of magnesium, another critical mineral for muscle contraction and nerve function. Low magnesium levels can lead to cramps, fatigue, and even sleep disturbances, all of which can interfere with recovery. A spoonful of almond butter not only provides this mineral, but also helps your muscles relax more efficiently after exertion. To incorporate it into your oatmeal, add about 1 tablespoon right after cooking, stirring it in while the oats are still warm. This allows it to melt smoothly and coat the oats, creating a creamy, rich texture that pairs perfectly with cinnamon, blueberries, or a drizzle of honey. If you prefer a crunchier meal, swirl it in halfway through and let some of the chunks remain. Always go for natural or unsweetened almond butter, the kind made with nothing but almonds and maybe a pinch of salt. Avoid the versions loaded with added oils or sugars, as they can cancel out many of the health benefits. For those with nut allergies, alternatives like sunflower seed butter or tahini can offer similar healthy fats and antioxidants. Over time, making almond butter part of your breakfast routine can have visible effects: stronger arms and legs, better balance, and sustained energy throughout the day. It doesn't just feed your muscles, it supports the systems that make muscle maintenance possible. In the long run, this creamy powerhouse can help you stay active, steady, and capable, no matter how many birthdays you've celebrated. Number 4. Blueberries. Blueberries might look small, but they're one of the most powerful foods you can add to your morning oatmeal, especially if your goal is to protect your muscles and keep them performing well after 60. While protein and healthy fats repair and fuel muscle tissue, blueberries protect it from the inside out. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the main culprits behind muscle fatigue and slow recovery in older adults. As we age, our cells naturally produce more free radicals, unstable molecules that damage muscle fibers, reduce flexibility, and weaken endurance. Blueberries act like internal bodyguards, neutralizing these free radicals before they can cause harm. Studies published in journals like Nutrients and the Journal of Gerontology show that regular blueberry consumption improves muscle recovery, reduces soreness, and enhances blood flow, all vital for maintaining mobility and strength later in life. But the benefits go beyond protection. Blueberries also improve circulation by supporting nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles more efficiently. That increased blood flow doesn't just mean better workouts. It means your muscles get more of what they need to rebuild, even during simple daily movements like walking or lifting groceries. There's also an important connection between muscle strength and brain health that blueberries help reinforce. The same compounds that enhance blood flow to muscles also boost circulation to the brain, improving coordination and reaction time, two critical factors for preventing falls and maintaining balance. In fact, some researchers have found that older adults who eat blueberries regularly perform better on physical and cognitive tests compared to those who don't. Another overlooked benefit is their natural effect on blood sugar stability. While some fruits can cause quick spikes and crashes in energy, blueberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar slowly. This steady supply of glucose keeps your energy consistent and reduces the risk of insulin resistance, a condition that can interfere with nutrient delivery to muscle cells. The result is smoother energy, steadier strength, and fewer midday crashes. When it comes to choosing blueberries, fresh and organic are best, since they contain the highest antioxidant levels without harmful pesticide residues. If fresh berries aren't available, frozen ones are a great alternative. They're often picked at peak ripeness and retain nearly all their nutrients. Avoid canned or sweetened varieties, which add unnecessary sugar and can negate many of the benefits. Adding blueberries to your oatmeal is effortless. Just toss a handful into your bowl before cooking for a softer texture, or sprinkle them on top afterward for a burst of sweetness and color. They pair beautifully with almond butter, cinnamon, or even a touch of yogurt for extra creaminess. Over time, this simple habit can make a remarkable difference. With stronger circulation, faster recovery, and better coordination, you'll find that your muscles feel less fatigued, your movements more fluid, and your mornings more energized. Blueberries may be small, but they're proof that sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest additions. Number 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a comforting spice that adds warmth to your oatmeal. It's a metabolic powerhouse that helps your body use nutrients efficiently, especially when it comes to maintaining muscle mass after 60. As we age, our metabolism slows, and the body becomes less responsive to insulin, the hormone that helps move sugar and amino acids from your blood into your cells. When this process weakens, your muscles can't absorb the nutrients they need to grow and repair. That's where cinnamon steps in. Cinnamon has been shown in multiple studies to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to manage blood sugar more effectively. By enhancing insulin's action, it ensures that the protein, carbs, and fats you eat, like those in your upgraded oatmeal, are properly delivered to your muscles instead of being stored as fat. This efficient nutrient transport is essential for rebuilding muscle tissue, maintaining steady energy levels, and preventing the muscle fatigue that often comes with aging. But cinnamon's benefits don't stop there. This spice is also rich in powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect your muscle cells from oxidative damage caused by stress, poor diet, or inflammation. In simple terms, these compounds help your body fight off the wear and tear that naturally accumulates over time, allowing your muscles to function more smoothly and recover faster after daily activity. What makes cinnamon especially valuable for seniors is its ability to regulate blood sugar without the need for medication. In one well-known study published in Diabetes Care, participants who consumed as little as half a teaspoon of cinnamon daily saw significant reductions in blood sugar and triglyceride levels. These effects help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and improve circulation, both of which are critical for getting oxygen and nutrients into muscle tissue efficiently. Cinnamon also aids digestion and may help reduce bloating, which can make it easier to stay consistent with a healthy breakfast routine. Its natural sweetness allows you to cut back on added sugar, keeping your meal lighter while still satisfying your taste buds. This is important because excess sugar promotes inflammation, which not only damages muscle fibers, but also accelerates the loss of lean mass over time. When choosing cinnamon, Ceylon, also known as true cinnamon, is the best option. It contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large doses, and it offers a milder, more pleasant flavor. You can mix about half a teaspoon directly into your oatmeal while it's cooking, or sprinkle it on top afterward for aroma and taste. Pairing it with whey protein or almond butter enhances both flavor and function, creating a balanced, nutrient-dense breakfast that supports muscle recovery throughout the day. Over the long term, adding cinnamon isn't just about improving blood sugar, it's about optimizing how your body uses energy. With better insulin sensitivity, stronger circulation, and fewer oxidative threats, your muscles stay nourished, resilient, and capable of rebuilding even after 70 or 80. It's a small addition with a powerful ripple effect, proving that sometimes a simple spice can help you hold on to the strength and vitality that define an active, independent life. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that every morning is a new opportunity to rebuild strength, improve energy, and protect your muscles from the effects of aging, simply by upgrading what's already on your breakfast table. Oatmeal alone is healthy, but when you add the right ingredients, it transforms into a complete muscle-supporting meal that works for you, not against you. With whey protein, you're giving your body the amino acids it needs to rebuild and repair. Chia seeds keep inflammation low and energy steady. Almond butter supports hormones and endurance, while blueberries flood your muscles with antioxidants and boost circulation. And finally, cinnamon ties it all together by improving nutrient absorption and helping your muscles actually use the fuel you provide. Together, these 5 additions turn an ordinary bowl of oats into a nutritional powerhouse, one that can help you regain the strength, balance, and confidence you thought were lost to time. It's a simple, science-backed way to stay active, mobile, and vibrant at any age. So, tomorrow morning, when you sit down to breakfast, remember this: your muscles are ready to respond. All they need is the right support. Make your oatmeal count and let every bite bring you one step closer to a stronger, healthier version of yourself. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and share it with someone who could use a boost of strength in their day. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.